Hello, it is week 6. I just got all ready for my concert tonight, which I'm super excited for. And then Olivia is coming, and then we're gonna go to the movies with some friends after, and I'm just like super excited. And I'm like actually kind of excited for the concert. I'm like really stressed, but I'm also excited, but like mostly stressed, but it's gonna be great. And we're gonna go to Mod before, so I can like eat a lot of food and stress eat, because that's what I do.
Hi, it's very loud. This is a Beppe vlog. That's Beppe. I'm Parker, and welcome to Parker's Tea Time. So here's the tea. So this morning I went on a date. It was very good. Surprisingly, it was with a girl, because little known fact, you may think I'm gay, but I'm actually bi. Very interesting fact right there. She didn't know that.
I didn't.
Exactly. And it went very well. Good kiss. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10 actually. But also last night a bass player who shall not be named hit me up, so that was fun, and it made me very awkward because he's here tonight. So yeah.
Man, you got all the way to the
I'm very red now. So that's all. We have an orchestra concert. I'm very nervous. I don't know how she feels. Here's Beppe.
That's some really juicy tea. Your thumbnail is like hey, we're here during our orchestra concert, and we're bored and sad, so we're just and because there's no food, and we're just talking about our depressing lives, and Julia's wearing 2 coats because she's so cold. Oh, and story time. We were walking down the halls and started dancing to the music, and then didn't realize there was a guy walking behind us, and then we burst into laughter, and then he burst into laughter, and it was a whole thing. It was really great.
It was a good time.
It was a really good time. Okay, bye. It is It is 12:10 a.m. and we just got done with Captain Marvel. Oh shoot, man! And it was pretty good.
Go faster.
Liv, you're the one like walking
so cold.
slow. Okay. It was pretty good. What did you think, Liv?
Coughing on my own saliva. Okay, go.
Do you know those people?
Okay, step 1. Remove lid from bowl. Open packets of seasoning. What is this? It's just like pee in a bag. I don't recommend. Yeah. What? It looks like the culture type rules we did in anatomy yesterday.
Ew, gross.
Be gone. Okay, hold on. You're overwhelming me. I can't process all this. I can't process all this. Okay.
Hey guys, it is 9:30. We got up at 8:45 and went to bed at 5. So we're doing kind of great. I don't think the tiredness has hit me yet, but like I know it's going to. This always happens. Liv, how are you doing?
You know, I feel like if I want to say how I was doing, I would have said it by now.
Okay, I feel like that's enough said.
Here's what we're gonna do. Grab your egg. No, don't talk. Grab the egg. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go smash that egg. Ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. Smash that egg. Oh! Here we go, everyone. Smash that egg. Oh! How does it feel? You think it's raw? It's raw. All right, we gotta smash it. Hold on, let me back up. 3, 2, oh, no, I'm sorry, that wasn't it. Smash that egg! No! Keep going. Ew, that's a gross one. You're still ready to smash? Like, you're losing out? All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Smash that egg! Oh! Sydney, thank you for playing.
Oh, that's cute. It is Sunday night, and I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. Hi, party peoples. Oh, wait, hold on. Hi, party peoples. It is 7 a.m. on Monday. Daylight savings is really annoying because now it's dark outside, and it makes me sad because it feels like I should be asleep and I don't want to be at school. I feel like I'm in a good mood, maybe. Over the weekend, I was kind of not in a good mood, but I think I got that bad mood out of my system. So we're gonna hope that this week is a little better than last week. I'm just a little stressed is all, but Nicole and I are gonna be working on our project after school, so hopefully we'll get that done and it'll be all good.
Did you know that a cricket's ears are on his legs?
I did not.
Well, not if the more you know. Did you know this pentagon is 17.5 miles long?
I did not.
The more you know. And do you know a cat can fall 5.5 stories without getting injured?
No.
The more you know.
Thanks, Ava. It is Tuesday morning. It's like, it may have turned into rain now, but it's just been like snowing this morning. And I'm just really upset about it because I want the snow to go away. Aislinn and I are here at Starbucks, but Aislinn doesn't want to show her face. Aislinn, say hi.
Hi.
We're talking about our life problems and annoying friends.
Yes, very annoying.
Quite a fun time. And I drank all of my tea and I'm sad.
I still have 90% of that coffee left.
It's intense.
Lucky.
I don't appreciate this. This is how you want your cameo in the vlog. This is how it's gonna be.
No, I don't
You
want
refuse to do nothing else.
Hi.
See, Sophie appreciates the vlog.
I do.
Today I went to coffee with Aislinn, which I showed you, and then right after that I went to coffee with Nicole, and then I went to go teach. And now we're here. And I'm at Panera, and my dad and I are gonna get dinner, which is just super fun. I just like texted him and I was like, we haven't had a daddy-daughter date in a long time, let's do it. It's Wednesday morning. I'm really tired and I'm just kind of cold. And I just don't want to like go outside to go inside, you know? Okay, I just got done with my appointment and it was really good, but I just have a story time. Oh my gosh. My light has been on all day. That's literally could have burned out my battery. Anyways, I went to bed and I got warm, so I took off my sweatshirt. And then I woke up with my sweatshirt on, which is like super spooky. And I was like, whoa, spooky. But then tonight, or last night, I go to sleep in a sweatshirt. And then I woke up with my sweatshirt off. I don't know what goes on when I'm asleep, but I keep waking up wearing different things than when I fell asleep. You happen to be leaning more than me because I'm heavier. Maybe not. I'm done teaching and now I'm at Victoria for my ASL chat night, which is not gonna be a party, but it's fine.
Guys, I don't like my teacher. I'm gonna try to, bring it down. My teacher, Dr. Peggy Sharp. Like, Dash wants to be in it.
Oh, Dash, you want to be in it?
He's so shy. Dr. Peggy Sharp. Today, we were all reading and stuff like that. Ellie, she's not in here. Never mind. Oh, you want to talk about Peggy Sharp for a vlog? She hates her too. She gave us, she makes me so really bad. Angry. Me? Yeah. I just can't. I'm really flustered. She basically gave a bunch of people zeros today and kicked people out of the class because
It's just all blue now.
she told me that I needed to control myself when I was giggling.
I like it.
And that because people my friend Nicole said 2 words. She was like, you need to control yourself. You need to learn self-control. And I was like, you do too. You keep yelling at everyone. And it makes me really angry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna cry.
That's the one who's subbing for Delaney, right?
Forever, yeah.
Yeah.
Delaney left. Delaney, if you're watching this, come back.
Okay, can I see what you're working on?
Oh, it's my pinch pot.
It's really cute.
Thank you. I hate it. It's hideous, and I.
That's
Can everybody go to
Mine
Bethany's?
looks really bad too. Mine just looks kind of terrifying. But you know, it has really cute little legs. Dash, can I see your pinch pot?
Dash's pinch pot is the best one here.
Yeah, it's right here.
Wait, I need to zoom in.
Is that for vlog?
Yeah.
We're here back in our favorite part of art every day. I call it
I need a.
We did it, so that's fun. Ready?
Yep.
Oh wow.
Gorgeous.
Look at that.
That's just beautiful.
It looks like a rat.
You know, it kind of looks like a tiger, like in the.
Oh. Oh my. Look what I did. Tell me that doesn't look like a tiger? It looks like one of those tiger mats. Like the.
Look at my freaking tiger.
Like the carpets.
It's a rug.
A rug. A carpet. Okay. This cannot go in the vlog. This
Oh,
is so
really?
embarrassing. It's my favorite part of the day. Table cleaning day.
Table
So,
cleaning day.
It's table cleaning time, which is the best part of the day.
Yes. I'm sick. I just got home from school and I'm about to have my piano lesson, and then I think I'm gonna take a nap because I'm sick, but I still want to go to my friend's performance tonight, so I gotta get re-energized. But yeah, it's so nice outside. Like, it's so nice. Like, it's not even that sunny, it's just like not freezing cold, which like never happens. So I'm gonna start heading to Hannah's thing. I'm dying a little bit. I took my 2-hour nap and didn't even feel like 2 hours, but that's chill.
I don't have anything interesting to say.
What are we doing, Hannah?
We're eating at Red Robin.
What did we
right.
just watch? Hannah, what did you get?
I got chicken sandwich. No, I got a chicken wrap.
Oh.
Yes.
Eric, what did you get?
I got a barbecue burger.
It's like
I miss kissing it. Oh my god.
I got some chicken sandwich. Do it, Hannah. Okay, I just got home. It is Friday night. It's like 11, and I'm going to start editing this. So I don't think I really even did that much this week. But, you know, it might be kind of a short vlog. But thanks so much for watching. I'm going to hang out with some friends tomorrow, so that should be fun. See ya. Tune in for next week. Bye.